Okay, mighty burbulators, flapulators, flutterators, steel cedulators, right, now look what's coming, excuse me, look what's coming, gold plated bird seed, may as well be gold, eh, given the cost, $100 a bag. Oh, look babies, look that away, excuse me, okay. Oh, we have a burb on me already. Oh, hi, Junior Puts. Hello, Chucky Meister. Oh dear, I've got a phone burbs. Excuse me, phone burbs. Trying to swap. Excuse me, phone burbs. You get on my hand. There we go. Hang on, phone bird. Oh dear, almost losing. I lost the plot, I know that much. Oh, excuse me, phone burbs. Yes, thank you. Oh, I can't try to. Oh, thank you. Burbs swapped it for me. Whoop. Looky. The good seeds on the hooky. Work. Oh, come on, beakies. Come on, mighty beaks. Yums. Can't see what the camera's saying. I'm buried in burbulators. Work happening behind, excuse the noise. Come on, stretchy beak from the phone. Yay! There's a dim burb in there somewhere. Beak. Burbs. The excitement of the good stuff. As I say, gold plated seed. Tickle, baby burb. Sneaky tickles to the burb. Oh, hello, Lizzie. Hello, Chucky. Hi down there, climbing up. Oh, maxi flapperations. Hi. I've got a bird's eye view here. Birb's got foot stretched out both two ends of the phone, so you see what bird sees or some kind of sees. Hi, I know there are other birds. Massing, yeah, that'll do. Massing munchicators. Row. Stretch a bird. Oh, quick bird's got a banana. Oh, Juggulator the birbulator. A sea of birbs. Excuse me, swap a bird, swap a hand. There we go. Oh, Fluffy, you're going to have to get up here. Fluff. Stretch a beak. Right? Stretch a beak. Yes, I know, Chucky. Sorry about camera angles and what angles. Straight up my nose again, thank you. Sinuses are already wrecked. You're trying to block them up for me. Watch it, beakulators. Beakulator, burbulator. Carrying bird around on the phone with me over here. Line up, line up. Get the good stuff. Oh, the bucket's been tipped over. The bucket's been tipped. Ah. Chooky. So yes, you sneaky buggers. Chooky, chooky chook. Bob, I'll blame you. Chooky, chooky chook. Come on. Come on, chooky chook. Come on, chooky chook. Come on, Lizzie. Come on. Whoops, sorry for the angle of dangles. You sneaky buggers, emptying the seed out when I was distracted. Yo, oh, phone bird again. Beaking frame, there you go, beacon style. Come on, you know, stretch your beak in the front there. There you go. Yes, go on, eating the tripod from below. Yell. Yum yum ba-dums. Boy, welcome aboard. Jim Bird. Scarecrow. It's the opposite of a scarecrow. Perch. Perchulator. For the birbulator. You're very patient, fine birdie. There you go. Hi. Oh, nice to see you too. Come on, in you come. In you come. Yeah, come on, Pip. Come on, Pip. Come on, Pip. Come on, in you come. Who's that going up there, hey? Who's the rock bird? Fluffy, I know you're down there, but I can't do much for you. Oh, Fluffy's having an altercation with the birbulators. Oh. Hi. Stretch a beak, stretch a beak. Yum yum. Oh, whoop, whoop. We're having a discussionary, birbulationary squawkulator. Yo. Yo. Yeah, I know you're there. Looking at you. Looking at you. He's looking at you, bird. Rap, rap. Yep, danger birbs, danger birbs. Sorry, foot bird, camera bird. If you're out in space, I know. Don't you put your foot on the stop button. Hello, cookie. Come on, there you go. There you go, camera bird. Doing your footsie. Come on, Chucky. Come on, Chucky. Looky, looky, it's a Chucky. Oh, we got bananas in here. It's very difficult with Burb on phone and juggle like try. Oh, yum. Yum. Banana nana. Hi there, Fluffy. You missed the good stuff, eh? Yums. Yes, I know. We juggle bird on phone. Right. Discussions. Thank you. What? Who's coming in? Who's not? Fluffy, I know there. Oh, we're losing birds. Fluffy. Go the fluff. Go the fluff. Go the fluff and nothing stuff. Phone bird's hanging off sideways into the container. Oops, spin. Oh, I'm going to lose the phone in short. Oh, don't fall. Phone bird. Scarcely hanging in the tripod, courtesy of phone birds. Yes, phony bird. You a fake phony bird. Go, Fluff-tater. Oh, we're doing a swapper bird. Yep, we're doing the swap of Birbs. Fanny Birbs decided if you turn around, presenting the butt to Jim Birb, thank you. Fawny Birb. Hey, look. I've run out of hands, Fawny Birb. Here we go. You get, yeah, there you go. You get them a hand. You get them a hand. There we go. You get them an arm now. Now arm. Oh, now we do a flap off because we've got a flufficator peculator. Oh, again. While I wasn't looking. Birbies. Excuse me. Yes. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, squeakinesses. You lot, led by Bob. Yes, kicking the container over. I've got to wrap my foot around. It's like her to get your head around, but in this case, come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Oh, I've got double handy Birbs. I've got a Lizzie too. Lizzie, so busy. Come on, foots. Oh, I'm almost losing the phone. Oh. Wait, Bob. Right, I'll put my feet round the container. Thank you, Lizzie. Kiss. So good, never miss. Oh, almost lost the phone again. Oh, Fluffy. Thank you, Lizzie. Phony Birbs. I wish I could just. Can I have a clear phony Birb on my hand? There we go. There's a phony Birb. Thank you, Lizzie. Right. There we go. Oh. Thank you, Lizzie. Kiss. Oh no, it's not Lizzie. Who's that? Who is it? Who is it? Sally? No. Hello, it's Pip over there. Toodle Pip. Left my other glasses inside. Yes, Fluffy. Oh, sorry for the excruciatingly bad camera work. Just hug a bird for a moment. Nice. Right. Fluffy. Degrees of difficulty for holding tripod and phone with Birb on board. Boy, what was that? That was a flyby then. Who's doing me the greenlater? Yes, Fluffy. Oh, here's phone Birb again. You're more of a phone boy than Footsie. Yes, Fluffy. Whoop. Whoa, we're a bit higher in the pecking order. We're telling someone else to go and bugger off. Fluffy. Lost the chookie, and I thought I had Lizzie, but Lizzie relations. Is that Sunny Birb actually? Is that Sunny Birb? Yeah, Hat Birb, Sunny Birb. Oh, stretch a Birb. Right. Having to put my feet around the bucket to stop more typology. But, yep. Oh, don't adjust the settings, phone Birb. Look. Flufficator. Flufficus Maximus. Fluffy. Hi. Yes, Fluff. Hey, get the beak off.